Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will be presenting on the topic of training and development. As a HR student, we understand that employees are one of the most valuable assets in an organization. The success of a company depends not only on its product or service, but also on the knowledge, skills and capability of its employees. Therefore, organizations need to continuously invest in their employees to improve performance and achieve long-term success. First, let's look at the meaning of training. Training is an organization planned effort to help employees gain job-related knowledge, skills, abilities, and behavior for effective job performance. Training can be conducted through classroom learning, mentoring, on-the-job training, or off-site programs. Next is development. Development is a continuous learning process that prepares employees for future responsibility, career growth, and leadership opportunities. It focuses on helping employees grow professionally and prepare for higher level roles in the future. When training and development are combined, they become a strategic HR function that enhances employee competencies through various learning and development activities. This helps improve both individual performance and overall organizational performance. In short, training and development are essential for building a skilled, productive, and competitive workforce. Now, let's look at how organizations implement training and development practice through the example in our case studies. Now, after understanding what training and development is, let's look at its main purpose in an organization. The first purpose is to improve employee performance. Through training, employees can gain knowledge, skills that help them perform their tasks more effectively and increase productivity. The second purpose is to develop competence. Training helps employees build the capabilities and expertise needed to meet current and future job requirements. The third purpose is to prepare employees for the future. It equips them with the skill and experience needed to take on greater responsibility and leadership roles. Next, training and development help to increase employee engagement. Employees who are given opportunity to learn and grow are usually more motivated, confident, and committed to their work. Finally, training and development drive organizational success. A skilled workforce can improve overall performance, support organizational goals, and contribute to long-term business growth. Therefore, training and development are important because they benefit both employee and the organization.
Moving on, I will explain several training and development methods used by organizations to improve employee knowledge, skills, and also performance. The first method is classroom instruction. This is one of the most traditional training methods where a trainer conducts sessions face-to-face. Employees learn through lectures, discussion, case studies, role-playing activities, and visual presentations. The main advantages of this method are it is cost-effective, encourages interaction between participants, and allows employees to ask questions directly. It also helps improve employee satisfaction and knowledge. A modern variation of classroom instruction is distance learning, where employees can attend training remotely through online classes and virtual classes. For example, by using Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or Google Meet. This allows continuous learning regardless of location. The second method is computer-based learning. This method uses computers, mobile devices, and online platforms to deliver training materials such as videos, text, quizzes, and audio content. This method offers flexibility, lower training costs, and self-paced learning. Employees can access learning materials anytime and anywhere. A common example is e-learning platforms such as the YTL Learning Academy, which provides online training programs for the employees. The next method is on-the-job training. These training methods takes place in the actual workplace. Employees learn by performing real job tasks under the guidance of experienced supervisors or colleagues. The biggest advantage is that employees gain hands-on experience while working. They can immediately apply what they learn, which improves their skills and job's performance. It is also a cost-effective method because learning occurs during regular work activities. For example, internships and apprenticeship programs such as the Proton Internship and Apprenticeships Collaboration. Another important method is simulations. Simulation training creates realistic work situations in a safe and controlled environment. Employees can practice handling tasks and problems without facing the actual situation. The advantages include improving employee competency, reducing workplace errors, and providing immediate feedback for improvement. For example, the MAB Academy by Malaysia Aviation Group, they uses full flight simulators and even provide emergency evacuation simulations to prepare employees for real-life situations before they encounter in actual operations. Business games and case studies. Business games use gaming elements such as points, challenges, and leaderboards to make learning more engaging and interactive. Meanwhile, case studies require employees to analyze real business situations and propose the solutions. This helps develop critical thinking, problem solving, and decision-making skills. This will increase employee motivation, encouraging analytical thinking and improving communication among employees. For example, Telekom Malaysia's LEAD program, where participants work on real business challenges related to innovation and customer experience. Lastly, team training method. Team training focuses on improving collaboration and coordination among employees working toward common goals. It often involves group discussions, problem-solving activities, and cross-functional learning. It helps individuals work together effectively to achieve organizational goals. The advantages include higher job satisfaction, better teamwork, improved communication, and increased work efficiency. For example, Maybank's Future Ready program helps managers transfer learning to their teams and encourages collaborative learning in the workplace. In conclusion, each training and development methods provide different learning experiences. Classroom instruction and computer-based learning are effective for knowledge sharing, while on-the-job training and simulations provide practical experience. Next, business, games, case studies, and team training help employees develop critical thinking, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. By applying the right combination of methods, organizations can build a more skilled, productive, and competitive workforce.
Now, let's look at what happens when organizations fail to provide proper training to their employee. Firstly, employees may lack the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their job effectively. Without proper training, they may not fully understand work procedure, company expectation, or how to use tool and technology correctly. As a result, works become slower and less efficient. Secondly, the lack of training can lead to poor work performance and lower customer satisfaction. Employees are more likely to make mistakes, provide inaccurate information, or deliver poor customer service. This issue can negatively affect the organization's reputation and customer experience. Finally, organizations may face higher employee turnover. When employees are not given opportunity to learn and develop, they may feel unmotivated and see limited career growth within the company. This can cause them to leave and seek better opportunity somewhere else. Overall, the absence of proper training has a negative impact on organization performance. According to Hansrom et al. 2023, organizations that do not provide training to their employees are at a risk of falling behind and potentially failing in the market. So after understanding the negative consequence of inadequate training, let's explore why training and development are important for both employee and organization. Training and development play an important role in improving both employee and organizational performance. Research by Yek, Key and Lim 2024 show that training and development contribute positively to organizational performance through several key benefits. First, it enhances organizational performance by ensuring employees have the skill and the competency needed to achieve organizational goals. Second, training helps reduce turnover retention. Employees who are given opportunity to learn and develop are more likely to feel valued and committed to the organization. In fact, according to the LinkedIn Learning Workplace Report 2020, it stated that 94% of employees they will stay longer in a company that invests in their learning and development. Third, Training increases productivity because employees can perform tasks more efficiently and confidently. They are able to complete their work with few errors and high quality outcome. Lastly, training improves employee performance by developing their knowledge, skill, and abilities. Employees become more capable of handling challenges, adapting to change, and contributing in organizational success. In conclusion, effective training development create benefit for both employee and organization. By investing in employee growth, organization can improve performance, increase productivity, reduce turnover, and achieve long-term success.
Next, we will look at the training and development challenges faced by ALPS Electric Malaysia. The company increased its training investment by 19.2% and spent about 24,199 yen per employee on training in 2024. Employees also receive an average of 27.7 training hours. However, the company still faces several challenges. First, technology is changing rapidly, so employees need continuous upskilling. Second, there is skill gap where some employees lack the required technical skills. The company also faces employee retention issues as the total workforce decreased from 29,926 to 27,287 employees. In addition, it can be difficult to balance training with daily production activity. Overall, the main challenges is ensuring training investment leads to better performance and employee retention. Now, let's look at the government-linked companies or GLCs. GLCs continue investing in employee development through cross-assignment programs, digital transformation training, and leadership development initiatives. Despite this effort, they face several challenges. The first is bureaucratic approval process, which can slow down training and implementation. The second is resistance to change, where employees may be uncomfortable with the new system and technologies. GLC also face a digital skills gap and difficulties in measuring the effectiveness of training programs. Overall, the key challenge is making sure training investment produce measurable results for the organization. The final example is McDonald's Malaysia. The company has trained over 5,000 graduates through its vocational academy and maintains an 18% retention rate. It operates more than 370 restaurants with over 19,000 employees nationwide. However, McDonald's faces several challenges. High employee turnover means new employees need frequent training. It is also difficult to maintain consistent training quality across all outlets. In addition, the company must continuously develop future leaders while ensuring employees can learn and serve customers at the same time. Overall, the main challenge is maintaining training quality while managing a large workforce in a fast-paced industry. That's all from me.
Next, I would like to explain how training and development contribute to organizational success by looking at three companies. ALPS Electric Malaysia Sdn Bhd, a government-linked company or GLC, and McDonald's Malaysia. First, ALPS Electric Malaysia Sdn Bhd. This company implemented continuous training programs such as on-the-job training and skill development courses to improve employee competency and adaptability. This program helped employees gain the knowledge and skill needed to perform their tasks more effectively. As a result, employee productivity increased significantly, and the training also improved operational efficiency and enhanced adaptability to new technologies. Overall, the company achieved better organizational performance through the investment in training and development. Next, the government-linked company or GSC. GSC faced a high employee turnover rate, especially in its digital, technology and innovation department. One of the main reasons employee left was the lack of training opportunities. To address the issue, the company introduced various training and development initiatives, including coaching, mentoring, job shadowing and specialized skill development program. This initiative help employees improve their skill, increase job satisfaction and strengthen their commitment to the organisation. So as a result, employee retention improved and the company was able to retain valuable digital talent while supporting long-term organisational stability. This is McDonald's Malaysia. McDonald's implemented the National Dual Training System or NDTS, including 70% of practical training and 30% of theoretical learning. The company also provides classroom training, self-study opportunities and on-the-job coaching. Through this program, employees develop both technical and soft skills such as communication, teamwork and discipline. The training helps employees become more confident, knowledgeable and productive. In addition, trainees can obtain the Malaysian Skills Certificate and may receive employment opportunities after completing their program. This benefits both employees and the organisation by creating a highly skilled workforce.
To address the challenge of rapid technological changes in the electronics industry, Ops Electric implemented digital transformation training. This program helps employees develop digital skills and adapt to new technology used in the workplace. As a result, employees are able to perform their tasks more effectively, improve productivity, and support the company's digital transformation efforts. In addition, Ops Electric introduced technical and manufacturing training to overcome skills gap in technical operations and production process. This training focused on machine handling, quality control, and manufacturing procedures. By strengthening employees' technical competencies, the company can reduce operational errors, improve product quality, and enhance overall productivity. To help new employees adapt more effectively to the organizations, Ops Electric also introduced the new Employee Development Program. This program provides orientation, guidance, and job-related training to ensure employees understand their roles and responsibilities from the beginning. This enables them to become productive more quickly and contribute effectively to organizational goals. Furthermore, Ops Electric promotes continuous upskilling initiatives to ensure employees continuously update their knowledge and skills. As industry demands and technologies evolve, ongoing learning helps employees remain competitive, adaptable, and prepare for future challenges. This also supports long-term organizational growth and sustainability. To address competency gaps among employees, GLC have implemented capability building initiative. This program focuses on enhancing employees' knowledge, skills, and abilities through continuous learning and development opportunities. As a result, employees are better equipped to perform their roles and contribute to organizational success. GLC also introduced cross-assignment programs to broaden employees' exposure and experience. Through temporary placement in different departments or organizations, employees gain new perspectives, develop diverse skills, and build a better understanding of organizational operations. This helps create a more versatile and adaptable workforce. To ensure a strong leadership pipeline, GLC implemented Leadership Development Initiative. This program focuses on developing leadership and management capabilities among high-potential employees. By preparing future leaders, organizations can ensure effective succession planning and maintain long-term organizational stability. Lastly, GLC provides digital transformation on training to strengthen employees' digital and technical capabilities. This enables employees to adapt to technological advancements and support the organization's digitalization effort. Ultimately, it improves operational efficiency and enhances organizational performance. In conclusion, both Ops Electric and GLCs demonstrate that effective training and development strategies are essential in addressing workforce challenges. By investing in employee development, organizations can enhance skills, improve performance, strengthen leadership readiness, and remain competitive in a rapidly changing business environment.
Next, I will explain the solution implemented by McDonald's Malaysia. First, McDonald's Malaysia introduced the Vocational Academy Program. This program provides 70% practical training and 30% classroom learning, helping employees gain both skill and knowledge. Second, the company offers Hamburger U leadership training. This training helps employees develop leadership skills and prepare them for future management positions. Besides that, McDonald's provides a clear career development pathway. Employees can progress from crew member to crew trainer
career leader, and eventually manager and higher position. This encourages employees to stay and grow within the company. McDonald's also used a blended learning approach. This combines self-learning modules, classroom training, and on-the-job coaching to ensure consistent training quality. These initiatives have shown positive results. Since 2018, the Vocational Academy has produced over 5,000 graduates and achieved a retention rate of more than 80%. McDonald's also supports over 19,000 employees across more than 370 restaurants nationwide. In conclusion, this solution helps improve employee skill, career development, and employee retention at McDonald's Malaysia.
To conclude, human resource management is essential in supporting organizational success through effective employee management and development. The case studies of McDonald's, Elks Electric Malaysia, and government-linked companies demonstrate that strong HR practices can improve employee performance, productivity, job satisfaction, and retention. Therefore, organizations should continue investing in strategic HR initiatives and addressing workplace challenges to achieve sustainable growth and maintain a competitive advantage. That's all. Thank you.